Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix your Windows logging problems. So if, for example, you have an account, whether it's Microsoft or just a local account and you can't log in, let's fix it. Alright guys, so usually if your system isn't able to properly basically start functioning, you will usually, when you restart your computer or laptop, will be taken to a Windows recovery environment that you can see on the screen. If you don't access it, you can actually do it yourself manually, even without actually logging in to your system, which is, of course, in your case, impossible if you have login issues. So for that, just press on Restart on your login screen. It's always available, even if you can't log in, or just press the Restart button on your PC's case. And when the Windows system is just starting up, make sure to spam F8 key on your keyboard, right? F8, and you will be taken to this screen. And in here, guys, we can start troubleshooting. So press on Troubleshoot. After that, Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, or you can just choose Startup Repair. But we will just get into a safe mode for this, and we will fix it like this. So press on Restart. And let us wait for the PC to get into the safe mode. And actually the safe mode is the mode where your login password is not required. So it will 100% get into your system. So in here you just choose safe mode with networking right off the bat, like this, with your keyboard. Okay guys, and as you can see, I am now logged in, and as you can see, I don't have any account in here on the top left. It just says local account, but if you log in with your personal account, it will say your name. If it's Microsoft, it will probably show your email as well. So this is our safe mode. And guys, what you need to do next is simply just restart, all right? Just restart your computer, and then you'll be able to log in. So this fixes this issue. All right, now I'm restarting. Alright, and as you can see, now my local account is available, as you can see, with my name. And now you should be able to log in pretty easily, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.